Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to lock a picture in Microsoft Word. Want to lock an image in place in Word so it doesn't move when you type? I'll show you two easy ways to do it. Just follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to fix position on page. Use the fix position on page feature. And to do that, just click on Word and open it, and then open a new blank document, and from here click on Insert, go to the Insert section and click on it, and click on Pictures, and click from where you want to insert the picture from. For example, you can use this device, stock images, or even online pictures. Now for this tutorial I'm gonna use this device, and I'm gonna choose a picture right here, for example. The second step is to click on the picture and go to picture format. From here, go to the wrap text section options right here, and then click on them. And as you can see in the drop down menu, there's a lot of options you can choose from. There's inline with text, square, tight, thorough, top and bottom, and behind text and in front of the text, and etc. Select fixed position on page. You can go and select fixed position on page. Now as you can see, it's not available here. I'm gonna select the page, and I'm gonna let's see where is the problem. For some reason it isn't I'm unable to fix the position. Maybe it's because the picture is already positioned. Now when I change the text wrapping, it gives me the option to fix position of the image on the page. Now the image won't move when you type it. Now it moves, but when I select fix the position, it still moves somehow. As for the second step is to use a watermark for background images. And to do that, just go to design, and then go to background or watermark, and select a custom watermark. Let's see, you can choose the confidential, do not copy, etc. Or you can download custom watermarks from Office. For example, I'm going to choose the custom watermark, and you can click on a picture watermark and select a picture from from a file in your computer or from OneDrive or Bing Image Search. I'm gonna choose this option right here, and I'm gonna click on OK. And as you can see, the watermark is the image I selected, this one right here. The third step is to lock with the text box. Insert a text box from Insert, go to Insert, and then click on text box. Let's look for text box right here, and then insert a text box, and then place your image in the text box and disable text wrapping, and this keeps the picture in place even when you edit the document. If the image still moves, go to layout options and enable lock anchor, and use the header and footer trick to lock background images across pages. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you lock an image in Word. Use fixed position, watermarks, or text boxes to keep your pictures exactly where you want them. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.